Even during lunch, the most we can be inside. Even if my husband really had to feed the birds. They love birds just as much as we do. Here we go, birdies. Hello. Hello.
Hey, Dad, what's up with you guys? Matt, chasing right at her. Can I give you a feather? You get a feather?
Oh.
White rice. White rice. You know, like the bluish, greenish tinge of his neck that changes colors. That's pretty.
There's a little white. Oof.
Hey there. Oh, that one got inside.
All the birds comes back in and out.
Look at his big old amber eyes. Pretty eyes.
Really? There are a lot of birds coming all over the place. And I have to smell. Okay, now they're fighting over the rice.
Well, the race is gone now, so all they're doing is looking for more. Sorry, boys, I'm out.
There's one out there. The one the green one's picking out.
What's up, buddy? Get a feather from him. Look at that.